The ultimate. Yo, I don't know how he has no riz. I mean, just look at him. Look at him. He should be getting a lot. I don't know why he's not getting any. We got some nice cactus here. Woo. A lot of cactus actually. Not a lot, but it's a lot. I don't know what I'm saying. Once again. Look at that. That's so sharp. I wonder if they take food. Actually, no, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Of course I know that they don't take food. Here we have some old equipment. This is used a lot in the barn. Yeah. There's some old barrels, old tractors. I don't know what that is, so if you could comment what that is, it would be helpful. A trash barrel. They reuse stuff here, which is kind of obvious. All right, we can feed birds now. All right, we can feed birds, but look at these. This is a big machine. This big, ginormous machine. Okay, so what are we gonna feed? We're gonna feed a pygmy goat, a Capra aegagrus hircus. Capra aegagrus hircus. So, I'm gonna get some food, and then just feed them.
Are they good boys? I will just put it in the middle, okay? No.
Yeah. Anything for food. Anything for food. No. No, butter. Baby, Bubba boy. Bubba baby. No, I'm only giving to Bubba baby. Oh my God. What's your beef? I'm only giving to Bubba baby. Yeah, Bubba baby. We got Bubba baby. Get here. Only him. Only better Rizzler. Guys, no fighting, bro. Oh, baby. Bubba baby. Okay, enough for you. I need to save some for Bubba babies. Bubba baby. Yeah, you're too late, Bubba boy. All right. You want some? Peacock? Can you eat some? No, probably not. All right, now I'm gonna go feed some other things. Oh, llama. I don't want to feed you only. Pygmy goats. Can you? Pygmy goats? Francie, it's all your fault.
Guys, don't fight. Yeah, look, you pick this up. Nani, pick this up.
Okay, I'm just gonna drop everything here. I just gave all the goats food. I hope they enjoy. This goat is coming up to me for no reason. I don't know why. Not gonna lie, I kind of like him though. I have no food, bro. I'm sorry. They stole all of it. What the hell, bro? Did you just fart? Was that a fart gig? Do you not like me? Oh, I see. You want grass from here. Okay. give you some grass. Good. Here you go. I'll give you more. Do you want to try this type? You don't like it? Yeah, very nice encounter. Yeah, you're waiting again, aren't you? Come on, come on. Come on, boy. Oh, you don't want to eat that? Okay. Give it to you like this. I keep forgetting. All right, do you want to come over here? My little goat. Can I pet you at least before I leave? Bye, cat. Bye, goat. I gotta go. See you. There. Let me show you the chickens. Chickens. Say hello. Hello, chickens. Chickens. Roosters. Yo, is that one twerking? Twerking right on the spot. Found you. Now let's go see the kangaroos. So we got some kangaroos. We have Australian swans there as well. Let me go show you them after these. They're just drinking water and jumping around like normal kangaroos. Some Australian swans right here. There's one up close so you can see them. Very big too. Tropical birds.
Lovebirds.
Tropical lovebirds. Felix, one of my cousins had this for a pet. Yeah. This looks familiar. There are some other random birds. I don't know what they are. But I feel like, I don't know why they have to be separated as well. Okay, some cockatiels right here. You see those birds right there? These are parakeets and diamond doves. There's both. So parakeets, oh no, parakeets are the thing that I remember. I don't remember lovebirds, I remember parakeets right there. Some diamond doves right here. Yeah, look pretty good. A lot of bamboo. Very pretty. Look how tall they are. And they're very big. Thing that's part of the zoo is the Demoiselle crane. He's right there. You can see him. In black and white. He's some fast facts are that he's 18 to 30 inches in height. He weighs at most 7 pounds, and he can live till 27 years old. His diet is grass, seed, leafy plants, insects, worms, lizards, and small fish. Side, there's some green cheek conures. You can see. I don't know about this one. Same birds as last. So we got some new ones here, zebra finch. Yeah, you might see same thing as this, right? But these don't have like the thing that the zebra finches do. They have like a yellowish orangish thing. And there's some more here. This vlog concludes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can subscribe and hit that like button. Bye. Oh my God, look how big these turtles are. These are so big. These are sulcata turtles, and look how big they are. Facts about the sulcata tortoise is that it's called an African spurred tortoise. It can grow 24 to 36 inches length, which is around 3 feet, and it weighs 100 to 200 pounds. And it can literally, in this cage, it can be as old of 150 years. The tortoise also here, yeah, you can read that. It's a vegetarian. In captivity, it will eat a variety of grasses. That's why you see all the grasses are gone, because they like eating it. And yeah, I think they're just tired today because they're not moving an inch. I'll just show you them in. I'll just show you their enclosure. Here we go. We have 2 turtles in there. I don't know if they're breeds or something. You got the water here, the food there. Probably like switch their diet time to time. I don't know. This one, it doesn't have anything as much as I think. We have a very big giraffe statue covered with flowers. I don't know what this is supposed to represent, but it's very nice and very pretty. We got these trees here and some other plant life. I don't know what these plants are. All I know is this is a pine tree right there. And we also got some cows on this shore. Oh, that alpaca. Not to mention it, but he just looks so goofy, bro. Look at those cows, though. Oh, he's looking at me again. He looks like he's about to vomit. Oh, yeah. And that's probably it for this video. Wait, hold up. I just saw something. You see this? This is a peacock feather I just found on the ground. Very large. This is the symbol that Krishna uses if you needed it up close. See? Very, very big too. I was about to wrap up, but then I find this. It's crazy, dude.